Here's an overview of the Superposition Excel spreadsheet. In the back you can see all the calculations, but the user interface is right here. A is for amplitude, B is for frequency, and C is that phase angle. So you can actually alter wave 1 and wave 2 by changing these interfaces. So amplitude 1, let's say it's 6. Let's say you see it went to 6. Wave 2 is still 1 amplitude. Let's see, put that back. Let's change the frequency to, say 60 hertz. Big difference. Same thing with wave 2. We can change the phase, say 45. See, and you can actually tell this is over degrees by angle. You can actually tell that they're out of phase. And there is a third wave here as well. So if you go down to this tab, you actually see the sum of those two waves. So if I change one, let's say, for instance, here the amplitude is 2, I could change the amplitude of 1, or the frequency of 1, or the phase of 1. I could change those for both, and it would affect this sum. Now, if we want to use wave 3 as well, we look at all three of them together, and again, right now, they're all the same amplitude of 1, they're all in phase, and they all have the same frequency, so there's no modification going on here. But remember what we talked about with the fact that all of these waves are really just the composition of sine waves. So, like we applied the fast Fourier transform, the FFT, and broke up packets of waves, well, we can actually go in reverse and create different waveforms and add them together. So you could make this look a lot like simple sound, maybe 2 or 3 tuning forks sounding off at once. And just by manipulating these, you get a difference in the sums. So that's how you use this spreadsheet. And you can go through my guiding questions to get an idea of where you should go with each one. So that would be in the Superpositions Word document.